Thank you for clicking on our channel. Today I will be discussing solar panels that you can use to recharge power station, generator, solar fans, just about any small items around the house or items that you use on the go. So I will be discussing three major types of solar panels that can be used to recharge your power station. We have the folding panel, the flexible panel, and the glass panel. Please feel free to like this video, comment down below, ask any question that you want to ask down below in the comment section. I will respond as soon as I get the opportunity to do so. And please subscribe to our channel. Okay, so we have here our 150 watt folding panel. It is a folding panel because it does just that. It can be folded up and take back inside. It's like a bag, like a solar panel in a bag. So you fold it up like this. Very easy to carry. So it is a folding panel. One of the things that I love about this panel, it is easy to carry, as I stated before, and you get the job done. You get the job done that I wanted to do. So I power my power station using this folding panel, the 100 watt. My power station is actually over here. It's being charged. I use my power station in the house, like for items such as the television. I run the television on my power station, and my son uses it for game purposes as well. So this is another solar panel over here, which is also folded. It's a 50 watt solar panel, and one thing you need to know is that when you're selecting a solar panel to recharge your power station, you have to ensure that you have the correct wattage. So for example, I am recharging my 800 watt power station right now. A 100 watt solar panel is good enough to recharge. A 200 watt could be used as well. But if I was to recharge a 200 watt generator from this 150 watt solar panel, I might need a charge controller in order to control the amount of electricity going into the generator. So a charge controller is something that looks like this. So what it does is to control the amount of energy going into the power station or whichever item that you are recharging using the solar panel. And you want to ensure that you're not charging devices directly from the solar panel, especially a 150 watt solar panel. It can cause your item to burn up right in front of your eyes. It will not work again, or you'd have to get someone to fix it. So we recommend that you use a charge controller or use the correct size panel for the correct power station. One of the thing about the folding solar panel, is that when you leave it out in the sun, it will burn out. This used to be red and it's now gray because it is burnt out because it's in the sun. It's not the panel itself, that is burnt out. Is the material that lines it, because it is basically in a folding bag, so it can get burned out from the sun. So that is one of the things with the folding panels. Okay, when you select your power station, you have to ensure that you are getting the correct connector for the solar panel. Solar panel comes with different type of connectors. Some come with DC connector, some come with SAE. For example, this 150 watt solar panel has a SAE plug. So it's right here. right? That's a SAE plug. However, it does come with a DC connector at the end of the cord, which you would plug into the power station. So over here, and you plug it right in, DC attached, and it's being charged. That's another important factor when you're selecting the solar panel. Ensure that it is the correct size for your power station. And we have the glass panel. The glass panel is more weatherproof. You can leave it outside. You don't have to take it up. You don't have to worry about anything, rain damage or anything like that. You leave it outside. This one can be used to power your power station. Also has a cord attached to it and a DC adapter at the end of the cord. Some of them comes with different type of connector, USB connector, so you need to also check that to ensure that you have the right connector for your power station or whatever it is that you want to charge. Right over here is a cell phone charger being charged right now, and that's my radio, my solar powered radio. Okay, so back to the video. We have the foldable solar, flexible solar panel, sorry. So these are very flexible. They can be break, so you have to be careful with these. You don't want to leave these outside either because they will get damaged. Right here, the USB, if you leave it outside, the water can cause it to be damaged, and you don't want that, so you will take these up. So the flexible and the foldable panels, they are not really waterproof, so you need to take up those. Don't leave those outside, but the glass panel you can leave outside, no problem. So with the flexible panel, you can charge your cell phone, your tablets, maybe a bulb. You can charge bulbs on these as well. Some of them come with the DC, the female adapter, so you need a male adapter, something like this, to connect it to the female in order for it to work. If you're going to charge, let's say, your cell phone directly from this panel, it's a 10-watt panel, so it is not as strong as the 150. So you can charge your cell phone from this type of panel directly, come with a USB. So the USB is right here that you plug your cell phone in for it to be charged. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. I try to post regularly on this channel various type of solar products that you can use to reduce your electricity bill and to also power things on the go. Sometimes persons confuse the flexible panel with the folding panel, but as you can see, they are different. The folding panel does just what it's supposed to do. It folds. As you can see, the 50 watts here, it's being folded, and this is the flexible. It's flexing, that's what it does. It flex, and it's much smaller. Can be in bigger size and can go up to, I've seen them in 100 watt before, so they do make them in 100 watt as well, but they are different from the folding panel and the glass panel. This one here, glass panel, solid, and it is made for outdoor. Can leave it outdoor, don't have to worry about it. It will not be damaged so easily. Not by water, let's say, not by water. Water will not damage the glass panel. But as I said before, the folding panel and the flexible panel are what you should ensure that you take back inside in a dry place, free from moist. So please subscribe to our channel. Share this channel with somebody that needs to learn about basic solar panels. Feel free to share your comments down below. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in another video.